creators, I am so excited to share with you my new DT package. This is the June release from KsCraft. So let's go ahead and get on into this. I don't know about you guys, but the last few releases I have really been loving because, of course, I love the 80s stuff. So let's see what we've got here. So first of all, we have this really super cute goldfish. And let me see if I can get this open, just so I can kind of show you some of the pieces. So this is a shaker set. And I love how they have the embossing on here. That's really super cute. So you can go ahead and paint on in there with your paint pens. And you have some extra little pieces here for the mouth, the fin, and the eyes. That's really awesome. Okay, and I love how they have it ready to go for a shaker piece. So that's going to be really fun because y'all know I live by the ocean. And so I am super excited to get any type of ocean themed type product. So this looks like it's for the mini Slimline, and it looks like you have some really cute oval layer dies, plus you have your label dies too. So that's really cool. I'm glad that that is in there. So I'm excited for that. And you probably could, you actually could turn this into shakers too. And I might just show you all how to do that. But also we have the little book embellishment die, and that is so stinking cute. This is going to be a lot of fun to use for swaps and stuff. I just think it's adorable, or any kind of vintage or academic themed card or mini album. So that's going to be really fun. So you have the large and the small, and they look like they are pretty good sizes. I probably should get out my ruler, but I don't know what happened to it. As you all know, my kids are out of school for the summer, so things start to disappear around. Okay, and then we have this really cute game controller for you know, what is it, Nintendo? That is super adorable. I love how you have all the little additional pieces in here. Let's go ahead and pull this out, and this looks like a pretty decent size too. And I'm not sure if there is a larger size. I don't know. I will double check on that. And if there is, I'll put that link down below too. But this is definitely a super cute embellishment size piece. I love it. You have your little controller piece and your left and right. Love it. Your little cord. That is so stinking cute. And I know Nicole made this one. And I am pretty sure she made the book ones too. So super duper cute. And then we have these super adorable flip-flops. Now this comes in two parts. So you're going to have your bottom pieces to your flip-flops and then your tops, and you can turn these into shaker. And DM from KsCraft, she made some really adorable little themed flip-flops. So I can't wait to get started on these too. And then to keep along with the 80s theme, I love the Boombox. And again, DM made something really super cute, and so did Hannah. And I'm going to try to make something a little bit different. And so hopefully you will love that tutorial. But I love all the little pieces here. So you have your little speaker pieces, your little shaker pieces, and you can turn this little piece into a shaker as well as the speaker. So that's pretty cool. Oh, you can turn this one into one too as well. So I love that. And that is a pretty good size. You could use this with a regular cutting die, which or a die machine. So I love that. In fact, all of these are. So you don't need the big plates or a bigger machine, just your regular old cutting machine. Sorry for all the scratching noises. I apologize. I should have put a mat down. And then, okay, here we are again. I love the whale theme, and I do believe that Nicole made these because I begged her to make some dies that were ocean themed, and especially I did request for a whale, and I love it. So she actually made two. Isn't that super cute? Oh my gosh, I love it. I love how she has a little spout. And again, this can be a shaker too. Love that. And I love how you can layer it. So that's always important to me, that you can layer your pieces up. So you can use different papers, or you don't have to cut it because I'm lazy like that. And then we have another little cute whale die. Let me pull this one out. This one is a little bit different. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's so stinking cute. I can't wait to get started on these. Sorry about that. Okay. And then we also have a really fun mini Slimline die. Let me just put that aside real quick. And, oh, I love how they have the little surprise windows. Those are super cute. Love, love, love this. And Father's Day is coming up. So I could totally use that. And I love how you can either use the lace or you don't have to. That's really up to you. So you could make it a masculine or feminine card and with no problem at all. Love that. And then she also sent me some stamps. I'm so excited. Okay, so I really do enjoy using stamps. So we have sending love to my most charming friend. Hope your birthday is just like you. Freaking wonderful. Don't count the candles. They just represent the time we have been enjoying you. So these are super cute. I love it. Be positive. Have a ball. Have fun. These are really fun. Enjoy the champagne day today. That's really cute. You could use that for a wedding too. Enjoy the champagne today. Oh boy, I really love all these. Another adventurous year to welcome. So anyway, guys, these are definitely, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, no, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 sentiments. I love that. Okay. Well, Hannah, thank you so much for sending this to me. And Adam with KS Crafts, I'm so excited to get started on these, and you will be seeing something very soon, guys. Have a wonderful and fabulous day. Don't forget to visit their Alley store. They also have an Amazon store. I will have all the links down below, and I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day. Bye, y'all.